Hello guys, my name is Michael Manuel Andrew, and today I will describe the core components of a virtual machine and then explain how virtualization can be used in a business environment. So a virtual machine, often called VM, is a software-based computer that kind of run inside another physical computer. So even though it's a virtual machine, it behaves just like a regular computer. So it has its own operating system, storage, memory, and as well applications. The first core component of virtual machine is the host machine. This is the physical computer or the server that provides the resources needed to run virtual machines. Whilst the second component in the hypervisor, it is a software that creates and manages virtual machines. It allows multiple virtual machines to share the resources of a single physical server while keeping them separate from another one. So some other important components in virtual CPU and memory. So CPU and memory happening to be another virtual component. It's just like a physical computer uses a processor and RAM. So a virtual machine is assigned virtual processor and then also memory, so it can perform tasks and run application. So the virtual storage is also important, and in this case, the virtual machine stores its files, operating systems, and data on virtual hard drives. So this allows administrators to easily backup, copy, or move virtual machines when needed. So lastly, every virtual machine has guest operating system. So these could be Windows Server, Windows W, Windows 11, and then Linux or another operating system, depending on the organization's needs. So in business settings, virtualization provides many advantages. One major benefit is cost saving. So instead of purchasing several physical server, a business can run multiple virtual machines on a single server. So this reduces hardware costs, electricity usage, and maintenance expenses. Another advantage is flexibility. If a company needs a new server, it can create a virtual machine much faster than purchasing and configuring new hardware. So this allows businesses to respond quickly and changing needs. So virtualization also improves testing and development. For example, before deploying a new application, an IT team can test it in a virtual machine without affecting products or production system. If something goes wrong, the virtualization machine can be restored from a snapshot or a backup. So security is another benefit. So virtual machines are isolated from one another. If one virtual machine sometimes experiences a problem, so such as a software failure or malware infection, the issue is less likely to affect other virtual machines on the same server, of course. So throughout this course, I gained practical experience creating and managing virtual machines in AWS. I installed Windows servers, configured Active Directory, create users and organizational units, assigned permissions, and also implemented security policies. So these activities helped me understand how virtualization supports real-world business operation. So if I were working for a business, I would use virtualization to host servers, manage company resources, test new software safely, and also reduce cost while maintaining efficiency and security. So in a nutshell, virtualization allows organizations to use their technology resources and more effectively, and provides a reliable foundation for modern IT environments. Thank you so much. My name remains Michael.